In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect your Webull with Tradingview. So the first thing you need to do is locate the trading panel at the bottom left side corner. As you can see the trading panel, then click on it. After I click on it, locate the search icon at the right hand side and then click on it. Then search for Webull. Then if you are in UK or Japan, then you can select either of these two. But if you are not either of the country, just select the general one, the first one. After I click on it, if you don't want your details to be saved, click on don't remember me. But if you want it to be saved, then click on connect. After I click on connect, then enter your Webull login details, that is the phone number and the password. After that, click on login, and that is it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.